So for today, I'm going to teach you how to get your Binance Smart Chain address in your Trust wallet. So first, you are going to open your Trust wallet and simply link in your existing wallet if you have one. And after that, you are going to proceed to this page, which is your main dashboard. So basically, there are much of cryptocurrencies presented here, but you are going to get the BNB Smart Chain wallet address. So if you see this logo, which is the box type, which is the BNB Smart Chain, that's we're going to get the wallet address. But if you don't see it, just simply use or utilize the search icon right here at the top right corner and just simply search for the BNB. And make sure that it is on the Smart Chain or Binance Smart Chain. So simply click in, and for you to get your wallet address and for you to able to receive this coin, you just simply click the receive button, and of course you will see the QR code presented as well as the alphanumeric code, which is your wallet address. You can just simply copy it and paste it on the other exchanger so that you will receive the same coin in the BSC network. So that's how you get your Binance Smart Chain wallet address. If you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.